Hi everyone, this is Braden here from Voiceflow, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on the capture block, which allows us to capture user responses and be able to use them within our project. So together we are going to build a super quick example where we're going to ask the user what their name is, capture that response using a capture block, and then use their name back at them. So let's do it. First, I'm going to go into our block bar here, and I'm going to pull out a speak block, and this is where we're going to ask the user what their name is. So let's do that now. Hi there. What is your name? We then want to go to our logic and use a capture block. Now, the first thing you'll see with a capture block is it doesn't have much inside of it. It's actually a relatively easy block to use. However, we do need a variable. So if you don't know what variables are, you can think of them like containers, and containers for data. So in this case, we're going to use this data container to hold the user's name. So let's go over to our left variables bar here, and let's create a variable. I'm going to create this one called name. Great. So now I can go to our capture block, and I can put in the name variable here. And we are now going to capture the user's response into the name variable. So now I'll go back to blocks, pull out a speak block, connect these up, and we're going to say hello. I can use a curly brace to pull up our variables menu here. And I'll say hello name, nice to meet you. Okay, great. That is a super quick and easy skill, and so we'll actually test this on our Alexa right now. Now, don't think I uploaded properly there. Now, there are a couple different ways to actually do this. You could also use an intent block with slots. Yeah, there's an ongoing build. Okay, so we'll just take a couple seconds here to wait for it. It's because I hit the button twice there. And so you could actually do this a couple of different ways. However, we're going to do this with the capture block. Okay, we should be good. Echo, open Braden test.
Hi there. What is your name?
Tyler.
Hello, Tyler. Nice to meet you.
And there you go. So we can see that we captured the user's name, and we are able to then say it back to the user. And so this can be super powerful when we're asking people for what their name is. We can ask them what a number is, and we can then use that data within our project. All right, guys, that is a super simple video on the capture block. We hope you guys have fun with it, and we'll see you in the next video.